When it comes to property management software, MyPropertyManager stands out as a solid choice for real estate professionals. But before you decide whether it's right for you, there are some important things to know. In this video, we're diving into 12 things you need to know before buying MyPropertyManager, especially when compared to other top competitors in the market. First, let's talk about ease of use. MyPropertyManager is designed with a user-friendly interface, which is great for new users. It's relatively simple to navigate, and you don't need advanced tech skills to get started. However, compared to some of its competitors like AppFolio, it can feel a bit more basic in terms of advanced features. Next thing is its pricing structure. MyPropertyManager offers a subscription-based model with various plans, which may seem attractive initially, but the pricing can add up over time if you're managing a larger portfolio. This is something to consider when comparing it to other options like Buildium, which has more transparent pricing for larger operations. The third thing you should know is about the customization options. MyPropertyManager offers limited customization features compared to other property management software. If you're looking for a highly customizable solution to fit unique needs, you might want to look at alternatives like Rentec Direct, which gives you more flexibility in tailoring the system to your business. The fourth thing is automation. While MyPropertyManager does offer basic automation for tasks like rent reminders and lease renewals, it's not as robust as competitors like PropertyWare, which provides more comprehensive automated workflows for larger teams. Next, let's touch on customer support. MyPropertyManager offers phone and email support, which is decent, but it doesn't have 24/7 live chat like some competitors such as AppFolio. If you anticipate needing frequent support, this could be a limitation. The sixth thing to consider is reporting. MyPropertyManager's reporting tools are functional but fairly basic. If you're a data-driven professional and require in-depth financial reporting, platforms like Buildium and AppFolio offer more detailed and customizable reports. Seventh on the list is the mobile app. MyPropertyManager's mobile app is functional, but lacks the advanced features seen in competitors like Rentec Direct or AppFolio. If managing your properties on the go is a priority, these competitors might be a better fit. The eighth thing is the online payment system. MyPropertyManager supports online rent payments, but it doesn't have as many options or integrations as some of its competitors. Platforms like PropertyWare offer more integrated payment options, which can make the tenant experience smoother. Ninth, MyPropertyManager offers a good variety of property types to manage, but if you're managing commercial properties or need specialized options, you might find platforms like AppFolio better suited for those needs. The 10th thing to know is about integrations. While MyPropertyManager integrates with some tools, it doesn't have as many integration options as Buildium or AppFolio, which have a broader range of third-party integrations to suit a variety of business needs. The 11th point is scalability. MyPropertyManager works well for smaller portfolios, but if you're looking to scale your business, you might find that competitors like PropertyWare or AppFolio have better tools for managing larger operations. Lastly, let's talk about the overall user experience. MyPropertyManager is straightforward and efficient, but it may lack some of the high-end features or polish seen in more expensive solutions. However, if you're managing a smaller portfolio or just getting started, it's a solid choice. To sum it up, MyPropertyManager is a good option if you're looking for something simple and affordable for managing properties. However, if you're managing a larger portfolio or need more advanced features, there are other options out there that might suit your needs better. If you want a better option with more robust features, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.